I enjoy working with my hands. I love welding, I love fabricating. It makes me feel like I'm bringing something to the world that's going to help somebody else. And it's going to show that there are kids at my age that can do this stuff. My name is Caleb Hiatt. What I do here is I'm a welder fabricator here at Nick's. So I weld and fabricate all the way from I-beams to robot frames to handrails, anything we get in really. Nick's is a great place to work because you feel like you enjoy coming to work every day. You enjoy being here with the people you're around. There's great people to work here. I feel like we have a good set of morals and a good set of core values here in the company that we always run off of, and that it makes our products better and it makes our employees happier. If you come into work in a bad mood, something happens, something goes wrong at work, they're always there to pick you up and get you through the rest of your day. Really good about doing stuff like that. You also get a lot of work done that you interact with and see out in the world when you're not at work. Outside of work, I hang with my friends. I like to go to the racetrack up in Hopsot. I enjoy spending time with my family as well. Watch my brother play football, basketball, baseball. I enjoy doing all that stuff. I found my way into the trades. I went to the Southern Indiana Career and Technical Center in Evansville. I took welding and I really started enjoying it. I really loved what it was. I really enjoyed the processes. I learned more in the shop here than I did anywhere else. A lot of young people can resonate with the fact that college isn't for me. I could probably learn more on the job than anywhere else.